To write the Lewis structure for CF3Cl, let's first count up the valence electrons. For carbon, we have 4, and then for fluorine, we have 7, but now we have these 3 fluorines. So we're going to multiply that 7 times 3 plus Cl, which is 7. So 4 plus 21 plus 7 equals 32 valence electrons for the CF3Cl Lewis structure. We'll put the least electronegative element at the center of the Lewis structure. That'll be our carbon. And then we'll put the fluorines and the chlorines along the outside. Next, we'll place a pair of electrons between each of the atoms to form a chemical bond. So let's do that. Now that we've added electrons between atoms to form chemical bonds, let's go around the outside of the atoms and put electrons there. We have 32 electrons. So far, we've used 8. At this point, we've used all 32 valence electrons, and each of the atoms has an octet. You can see the chlorine has 8 valence electrons, and all of the fluorines have 8 valence electrons. The carbon in the center, it has 8, so we're done. This is the Lewis structure for CF3Cl. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.